Hey y'all, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm glad you're here. In today's video and recipe, I'm going to be making a throwback called St. Paul's rice or St. Paul's rice casserole. I had never heard of this dish or even tried it for that matter until I was invited to a dinner party years ago. It was on the menu and it was a hit. We all left with the recipe and it was hard to stop eating it. Now this dish has been popular in the South for years and I've decided to make it for you today, so let's go ahead and get started. This recipe comes together quick and easy with only 7 ingredients, and they are rice, bulk sausage, bell pepper, onion, celery, Lipton onion soup mix, and slivered almonds. Let's get started. In a skillet, we're going to go ahead and brown 1 pound of bulk sausage. Okay, that looks good. We're going to go ahead and shut the heat off, and then we're going to drain this and set it to the side. Drain it real well and set it to the side. Next, we're going to start with 1.5 cups of water. We're going to prepare to cook our rice. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of rice. Now I'm using jasmine rice. Give it a good stir. We're going to reduce the heat to low. And we're just going to pop a lid on it. And we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes or so. While our rice is cooking, we're going to go ahead and cut up 1 medium-sized onion. Now we're going to dice up 1 bell pepper. I believe the recipe calls for a green pepper, but I had red and that's what I'm going to use this time. And 3 ribs of celery chopped. The rice has been cooking for about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add 2 packages of our Lipton onion soup mix into this mixture. There's 2 packs. Go ahead and give this a good stir. We're going to cook this for about 10 more minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our onions and peppers to our sausage, as well as our green pepper. Okay, now that that's well combined and cooked, we're just going to turn our heat off. And you can either set this to the side, but I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into this bowl. Okay, I believe our rice mixture is done. Now the recipe does call for half the package of slivered almonds. Now these are totally optional. I tend to like them. And I like to mix them into the rice mixture as well as add them on top. So I'm going to add a few in. We're going to give this a good stir. Perfect. And now it's time to add our sausage mixture into the rice mix. Combine this real well here. It's so good, y'all. Okay, just like that. We're gonna lightly grease our baking dish. This is like a 11 by 13. And we're just gonna dump our mix right into our dish. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more of the slivered almonds on top. St. Paul's Rice Casserole, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this covered with foil. And we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I can't wait to give this a try. And now it's time to give this a try. This is so flavorful. The crunch of the slivered almonds are amazing. I can taste the sausage, the pepper, the Lipton onion soup mix is coming through. This is a really flavorful way to jazz up your rice dishes. St. Paul's Rice Casserole is definitely a winner. Go ahead and make this recipe, see what your family and friends say, and that's gonna do it for today's recipe and video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring recipes like this to you each and every week. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. See you next time.